what's inside. I totally forgot. So I'm gonna open it. It's like a surprise. I didn't know I have a surprise. Let's open this. Oh. My very awaited. Why is this a cutter? Did I even order this? Oh, I don't have a clue. The only thing I remember that I ordered is the chopper, multifunction chopper, but this one is multifunction cutter. Hello, what happened? This is nuts. I have to check my order. This is crazy. I don't know if I ordered this or if this sent me a wrong one. This is crazy. This is not what I've been waiting for. But I guess it helps. I don't know. We'll see. Okay guys, I was just surprised and I was just like, I don't know what's in it. It's too light to be a multifunction meat grinder or something. This is why it's so light, because it's plastic. It's crazy. Alright, bye.